On a quiet day, Najib, the eldest brother, took his two sisters and little brother for a picnic in the home's garden. They brought their toy box with them.
I will play on the swing. I like it.
The little brother was roaming around the garden.
I will act like Spider-Man and help others.
So he wore a long red mat like a cape. The younger sister said,
I will play with the small drum.
She started singing and drumming loudly.
Da da da, bang bang.
She laughed and said, Don't be scared. It's just the drum banging. A few seconds later, they heard their little brother crying. Najib ran quickly to him and found a sting on his arm. He was crying a lot. Najib said,
Stop crying. I'll give you a sweet ring.
The little brother stopped crying, but he still made sounds from his nose because of the pain. Now, kids, do you think it is good to give children sweets? How can you make your brother stop crying? Najib went out on a sunny day with his sisters and brother to laugh and play. Swinging high, singing loud, drumming beats that sound so proud. Swing, sing, bang, sting, long, ring. Let's all say the sound, sing, sing, sing. Spider-Man cape so long and red, helping others just like he said. Little brother cried, ouch, a sting. Najib smiled, here's a sweet ring.
Where did the children go? Who took the children to the garden? What did the oldest sister want to play with? What did Najib pretend to be? What did the younger sister do with the drum? Why did the little brother cry? How did Najib comfort his little brother? What sound did the little brother make after he stopped crying?